You know, my social credit score has been a little low lately. Guess I'm gonna have to find how to get more on the internet.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情就冰淇淋，速度与激情就我最喜欢，所以现在是音乐时间，准备1、2、3，差不多一样。冰淇淋再见。
Well, if I'm going to make ice cream, I better start right now. 20 minutes before you do this, I want you to put your bowls and your ingredients in the freezer. First step, you're going to add ice to the big bowl and you're going to add a few spoons of salt. Next, you're going to add about 1 pint or 2 cups of heavy cream. Next, you are going to add about half a cup of half and half. This is a good ratio for ice cream. Now, for about 8 minutes, you want to start beating the ice cream mixture until it starts to stiffen just a little bit. I had to switch through a bigger bowl because this one was too small and it was making a mess on the entire table. Now at the end, I may have done a little mistake, but you're going to add about half a cup of granulated sugar into your ice cream mixture. I added 2 1/3 cup and I may have done a little overboard, but it doesn't matter anyways. Now stir your ice cream for about 1 to 2 minutes. You just really need to dissolve the sugar that has been put into the ice cream. When it's done, cover it with tarp and put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes. Next, place about 4 to 6 Oreos. Yes, I know there's only 3, I added 2 little, and then mash them up in a bag. This is what we're gonna add as toppings. I had thin mint Oreos because those were the only ones I had. Mint ice cream is good too. After 45 minutes, take it out of the freezer and add your crushed ingredients. Because of the blades, the Oreo bits may have actually turned small, however, you'll probably see it very accurately once I show a picture of it. Then, put it in a container and let it sit in the freezer overnight. Try some ice cream. You can see right here, the little bits are Oreos. Put my spoon in it. Oh wow. I must say, this is not ice cream. It tastes more like whipped cream. However, I will admit, the Oreo makes it taste nice. There's a little bit of mint too, because I was using mint Oreos. I give it a 7 out of 10, but technically I haven't tried the ice cream because I put this one in the refrigerator. Ice was starting to form outside. Obviously, ice cream in the freezer is better because this one's melting. My only thoughts on this are Binch.
天上太阳红呀红彤彤嘞。